All right, guys, so we're hanging out at 4A Nassau. We're getting a whole bunch of things done to the Charger. The first thing that we're doing is actually replacing the spoiler. Really pumped about getting this damn thing off. So, you know, the process was actually a little bit complicated. There's a handful of screws that need to be unscrewed first, and then it's glued down like crazy. So we're gonna get the spoiler done on there. I know a whole bunch of people have been, you know, dying for me to get rid of the 3-piece. So it's off right now, but I'm gonna show you the process of taking it off.
Now you put Omar to work. Come on.
We're getting this
Trying to get
spoiler off.
What are you doing? Oh, the spoiler?
Yeah. So this part is held on by like one screw, so you got to undo it from underneath.
But now what are you gonna do? You're gonna.
But then there's.
You're gonna close the. You're gonna close the.
So I'm gonna clean this obviously, and then there's gonna be a hole
plug.
on both. Yeah, so I'll plug it up at some point. Taking this thing off is a bitch. You were not gonna be able to do that.
That's why I told you I didn't want to do it.
I know.
I saw the way you and what's his name?
Sean.
Sean did.
Yeah, that.
Fuck that. He's a bitch. And we picked the right day. Let me tell you.
Yeah, we would have been sweating our asses
like 20
off, man.
pounds today. You want me to pull it?
from this side.
Wait, this way?
Yeah.
Tell me when. I'm not going hard. Just tell me when. There's nothing else holding it, right?
Just the glue.
Okay, so.
There you go.
Whoa. So what is there? There's three.
See the
There's
pins?
3M
See,
tape.
look.
It's 3M, but
holes.
these were screws, right?
No,
Inside
clips.
clips.
The plugs. You see the plugs?
Okay.
Plugs?
Boom. Plugs. So.
These are gonna get a lot of wood.
You gotta
on
get
this.
the rubber wheel and stuff.
Yeah.
Get
So
all that glue.
there's gonna be 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4 holes that I'm gonna have to plug at some point.
What you gotta do is just put silicone.
Yeah.
That's gonna be covered anyway, right?
Well,
I don't know, does
the
it go that far?
the rear spoiler goes that far.
that's
Yeah.
true. I mean, the spoiler comes here the same way.
Yeah.
Instead of being 3 pieces, there's 1 piece. But I would silicone these just in case.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want water to start running underneath.
This one's clips, I think. Yep. This is the clip. Anything up? Yep. It's got 2 10s.
All right. Well,
There's 10, you know?
you got two screws up there holding the spoiler.
And that
You 110?
huh?
110?
One over here, yeah, 110.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
I was like, why is it so? It's gotta be a clip or.
I got it.
Push up. No, here. Push up, push up. Push up on it. Push up.
There it is. It was a little bit more work than I remember.
Get the glue off. Get all the glue off. Let me blow this thing off first. With the glue. Let's try it. Ooh, it's gonna bleed less. Will it come in the screw, the hose? Everybody, where's everybody? Where's all the workers? You ran away. And Kenneth's over there.
Kenneth said he can't talk because he has a girlfriend. She's miles away.
He's faithful.
No, I was
Wait,
like,
hold
she's
it like
miles
that?
away. And I was
No,
like,
no, one on that side.
He was like, it doesn't matter because he's bringing her here.
Go to the corner. Now we're gonna go up.
So here it is, guys, the finished product. I absolutely love it. This is something that, you know, I really wasn't enthusiastic about doing just because of how complicated the removal of the three-piece spoiler is. But, you know, 4A Nassau knocked it out of the park yet again. I swear they do really good work. The paint looks spot on to the rest of the car. But it was definitely a very difficult project, very lengthy project, to be honest with you. But I'm glad I did it. And really the next phase would be putting a nice aggressive wicker bill on the back to tie in the louvers and the diffuser. The back is gonna look aggressive, man. I'm pumped. The whole car is starting to really look menacing.